Parents, if your teenager is often moody, cranky, tired, or snacking constantly, this reel is for you. The teenage year is all about rapid growth of bones, muscles, brain, hormone fluctuation. So, that is the reason your child is constantly moody, tired, and also seeking a lot of snacks. The first mistake that most of you do is skipping breakfast. Most of the time, children just grab a glass of milk or have some biscuits and rush to school. But later on, this leads to dropping of energy levels and feeling fatigued and not paying enough attention in the class. So, of course, a proper breakfast which has a good component of protein and a balance of carb is very important. The next mistake most of the teens do is relying too much on processed and packaged foods. The foods are, of course, delicious and it draws their attention, but they lack nutrition completely and later on leads to a lot of sugar crashes and increase in cravings. The next mistake is not taking enough protein in their diets. Teens often rely mostly on pastas, rice, breads, and lack the element protein in their meals, which later can lead to low immunity, hair fall, acne, and even gut health problems. The next is not having enough hydration. Many teens rely on packaged juices, sodas, or diet cans, but this is not something which is known as proper hydration. So, hydrating with enough water is again a very important aspect. Lack of water generally leads to fatigue, headache, and poor concentration. And last one is irregular eating pattern. That is no timing for any meals. So just snacking anytime, skipping meals, having late night snacks, all this will ruin the metabolism and also lead to unnecessary weight gain. So all the parents who feel that their children are making these mistakes must share this reel with them and maybe help them enlighten.